The police sirens in question. There's like one part of that song that I like. I don't remember what it is though, because I didn't like it that much. But if it weren't for that song, the level's like fine. I think it looks bad. But I don't want to play it because of the song.
Understandable. I get how it's not everybody's jam.
Six Impala is just like
So fire.
literally the worst. I'm sorry, they're so bad. They've made one good song and it's a remix of other people's songs.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Dude, you
got
so
close on that
mini wave. That's crazy. 66 attempts. It wasn't a coincidence.
4466 jumps.
Bro, it's not a coincidence. Oh, imagine 12 times.
Yes.
I was nervous for you. That's crazy.
Yes, dude.
What? My heart. My heart. I think you took 10k less than me.
Yeah. I had like 21k old or something. I don't know. I don't care to figure out what's old and what's new. Like 25k or something. I'm so fucking glad this is over. This is the worst experience I have had, bar none. It's not even close. It is not close at all. At all.
Peak level. Peak level.
No, it sucked ass. Like,
Sure, we just